How to leave a review on Booksy. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can leave a review on Booksy. So you can leave a review on Booksy after you've completed your booking. So once you've booked or you've completed an appointment, Booksy would prompt you to leave a review. So you can leave a review immediately using the automatic prompt that appears on the main screen of the app each time you launch it, or preferably you can go to the lowest part of the screen, the bottom right corner to be precise, and click on your profile icon. So after doing that, you'll be brought to your profiles page. On this page, you can see options like family and friends, gift cards, accounts and settings, reviews, payments, etc. Click on reviews, and on the reviews page you can now you'll see all of your appointments here, and then select the specific service that you would like to review, and then you can now include things like the advantages of the treatments as well as the disadvantages. You can also share your general feedback about your experience. You can also consider adding photos of the final result, and then the review will be sent automatically. So this is basically how you can leave a review on Booksy. Thank you for watching.